Hi, this dance is called Sarinem, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on September 2024. There are 32 count, 4 walls, easy improver level line dance. There is no take, no restart in this dance. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Okay, hold on. Okay, section 1, walk forward, right, left, forward mambo, and then rock back, recover and quarter turn to right, side sashay. Section 2, Cuban break, cross behind, recover side, cross behind, recover side. And then continue with cross shuffle to left, and then half turn left, cross shuffle to right. Okay, section 3, stationary samba, together, back, recover, together, back, recover. And then big step forward, and then hitch, big step backward, close touch. And section 4, samba whisk, right, and then samba whisk left, and then half pivot to left, forward, half turn, forward, half turn. Okay, let me repeat with a count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial of my new choreo called Sarinem. I hope you enjoyed the dance, the music, the choreo, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.